How to fix CS, Go lag issue on Windows. 1. Reboot your network device, like router. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Modify your graphics card settings. 3.1 NVIDIA graphics card users, select adjust image settings with preview and use my preference emphasizing and drag the slider to the left in 3D settings. 3.2. AMD graphics card players, refer to the IMG below. Pad, AMD Radeon settings gaming global settings. 3.3. If you are using Intel graphics card, 3.3.1. Scan the CS, Go app in 3D settings. 3.3.2. Use the settings below. 4. Lower in-game settings. 4.1 Refer to the IMG below to modify the advanced video options. 4.2. Plan B. 1. Using windowed mode. 2. Lowering the resolution of your CS, Go. 3. Disabling laptop power savings. 5. Restrict applications and downloads in the background via WTM. 6. Change the power plan of your PC. 7. Adjust your Windows system for the best performance. 8. Disable CPU Corp.